56. If you were to sell these shares at 33.44 with commission, that is the amount of cost that would be incurred, you would receive, and cost incurred is on the other side of the cursor. If you have delayed data, which a lot of you will have, then you need to come into this bottom section to do exactly the same transaction. Now, instead of a limit order, it is a market order. You simply click on market and put your amount in down here, 1,000 shares, and click place order, and it will go to the marketplace and place that order, and you will see you have an immediate confirmation that those shares have now been purchased on the Australian Stock Exchange with a commission and a price and a value date, which will be 2 days hence. The account summary section is probably one of the more important sections in the platform from a risk management and credit management point of view. It actually shows you all the relevant things to your account, including unrealized profit and loss, amounts invested in the equity market as shares. If you have any derivatives, it will show you margins and unrealized profit and loss on those derivatives. It will show you a cash component of your account, and it will also show you all your open positions which are currently being dictated to and priced by the market. If you're wanting to see what's in your account, and most of you will, then you need to go to your account section of the platform. You can either build a new page specific to what you're looking for in your account area, and all the information is contained here, or alternatively the simulation platform will come with an account section already built for you and will look something like this. The figures up here are relative to non-margin positions. The non-margin positions represents the value, current market value of your stock portfolio, and it is going to be moving as the markets move. The unrealized margin, profit and loss, is if you have any derivatives such as futures, CFDs or currencies. Then as open positions, your unrealized profit and loss will appear in the unrealized margin, profit and loss. The cost to close is the figure that represents the commission applicable to liquidating or closing every position in your portfolio. The sum of those is the unrealized value of all your positions. The cash balance is the cash that you have deposited into the account, less or plus or minus any realized profits or losses. And the transactions not booked are any transactions that have been done in the last 24 hours that haven't been processed by the back office function. That could include deposits or withdrawals of cash or purchases of shares. You then will have a total account value, which is the sum of all of these figures above, and is translated over to the margin summary area, which sits over here. The available for margin trading we're not going to go into, but the staff at GET can discuss it with you if you require information on that. If you are trading derivatives, that is a relevant figure. For trading stocks, it is irrelevant. If you're trading stocks, the only really relevant figure is the equity relative to cash. In the lower section of this page, we have our open positions. We're currently long or bought BHP Billiton, 1,000 shares, which is the one we did earlier, at 33.45. The clocks represent delayed data. If you have live data on a live trading platform or an open account platform, then you will have current prices there. The market value similarly will only populate if there is live data coming into the platform. The market value, however, of your stock, which is or combinations of stocks, is represented by this 33,440, which means that on 1,000 BHP shares you are currently losing 187 Australian dollars. If you had offshore or international stocks, Let's say in the United States, then the P&L here would be represented in US dollars, and the system will automatically convert it into Australian dollars at the current exchange rate applicable to whichever currency. So similarly, if it was in Europe, it would have euro. In London, it would have pounds. In account information areas is the financial statements, which a lot of people require either on a monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or at least annual basis for their accountants, particularly for self-managed super funds and the like. In the platform, you will be able to find this financial statement, which you can tailor to the specific dates that you're looking for, and in here it will include all your commissions, any realised profit and loss on any of the products that you have traded, any interest that has been incurred or accrued on your account, and other information which is relevant to your accountants. It includes a summary for your accountants or for yourselves, that you can then actually work out what is specific to each individual line item, and you can then simply just print this out and hand it to the relevant people that you need to hand it to. Additionally, it'll have any cash withdrawals or cash deposits and all the relevant information. Any additional information can be found on the platform, and you can either find that by just scrolling through the navigation tools as we've shown you, or alternatively by giving us a call and we'll direct you how to find those. For participating. I hope you've enjoyed it and it's been informative for you. By all means, feel free to